Welcome to UK Immigration Solicitors, your trusted partner for immigration services. Are you and your partner planning to get married in the UK? Let's explore the UK Fiancé Visa, designed specifically for engaged couples. The UK Fiancé Visa allows engaged partners of British citizens or residents to come to the UK to get married. It's valid for 6 months, giving you ample time to plan your wedding and start your new life together. To qualify, you need to meet a few key criteria. Your partner must be British or have indefinite or limited leave to remain. Both of you must be over 18. You need to have met in person and be in a genuine relationship. You'll need to show that you can support yourselves without public funds. The financial threshold is £29,000 per year for you and your partner. Additional amounts if you have children. Gather the necessary documents: proof of relationship and intent to marry, financial evidence like bank statements or payslips, proof of adequate accommodation in the UK, evidence of meeting the English language requirement. Applications must be submitted from outside the UK. Once approved, you'll have 6 months to get married. Navigating the visa process can be complex. Our experienced immigration solicitors can guide you every step of the way, ensuring your application is complete and correct. Ready to begin your journey? Contact us at 0203-384-4389 or visit our website for free assessment. For more content like this, visit our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/@UKImmigrationSolicitors.